Present. This is ExcelGuru Rajnikant. This query has been given by one of our friend. He went for interview, so they asked this query and the total data manipulated with another records, another data. So just I want to show you the query and the solution is with Power Query. This is the thing you have to remember. You have to extract the records as per the condition. Based on the special conditions, you have to extract those records with Power Query. This is the query has been given by one of our friend when he went for an interview. So here is the screen which I'm going to share you guys. See, here is the records contains what it contains: products, places, sales representatives, and sales amount. So the thing is that you have to extract only the product and the sales amount. These two things that too based on top five in region Mumbai. Given data like this with Power Query, you have to solve it. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do means you have to send this data to Power Query. Before sending data to Power Query, you have to convert this range into a table. Okay, this data into a table by giving Control T. Yes, my table has headers. These are the headers. Okay, done. Now go to the data. Here you can see from table or a range. I'm sending this, transforming this data into a Power Query. Here is the Power Query. So here what I'll do means I will do investigate. Means I'm increasing order. 543, sorry, decreasing order. Okay. Remember that thing. First of all, what I did, I transform, first of all, before going to Power Query, I converted that data into a table and gone to Power Query. There I did decreasing orders. Okay. Remember these things. Later, what I'll do means in this data, you found that Mumbai. Okay. So filter the region with Mumbai. Only Mumbai. Okay. And keep top rows. Keep rows. Keep top rows. That is 5. 5. Okay. So it will show you 5. But we need only these two things. This thing and this thing. The products and the sales amount, but not remaining things. Okay. So what I'll do, I press shift and this or remove. Okay. Only this thing I need. Okay. Observe clearly. Whatever I need, just I kept and remaining, I removed those columns. Okay. Now just close and load two. In same worksheet, existing worksheet, I place the region over here. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. So it will extract top 5 products as per the Mumbai region, but it is not a dynamic one. We have to make it dynamic one based on this 5 and Mumbai. Okay. The insulin and these are the top 5 sales done in Mumbai region, Mumbai city. Okay. We want only the products which are set top 5, the orders. I mean to say that orders. How much maximum orders for which product they got maximum orders. That is insulin, amoxicillin, cough syrup, vitamin D, paracetamol. These are the things got maximum order, top 5 orders. So we have to make it dynamic. So what I'll do, I also convert this into a table. Control T. My table has headers. No, my table does not have headers. Okay. Here where it is, header row. Remove this one. Control. Now go to again data. Or there is a shortcut key for sending data to Power Query, that is Alt APT. Okay. And here you have to do is drill down and name the query the top N. Remember this, it's case sensitive. Observe clearly, I named the query with top N. Okay. Just go to home, close and load to. Now I'll create only the connection, but I don't want to load anywhere. Just I want to create a connection. Only create a connection. Right. Here also the same thing. Control T, remove headers, Alt APT, Alt APT. Yes. Drill down. Okay. It came into list. Okay. So we have to make it this thing. But, okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Discard. Now I discard. I'll make it a table. Data view, table design header. Later I'll remove it. Okay, because it's expecting a call header. So directly I gave the value to the Power Query. For that period is showing only Mumbai. So we will remove this one. Okay. Alt APT. Now drill down. Now name the query with the region. Okay, only region. Enter. Go to home, close and load to only create connection. Here also only create a connection. Here in this, I remove column here. Wait a minute. Table design, right. Now, this is not a dynamic one. Okay. Whenever we change here as what are the regions over here? Kolkata. So when we type Kolkata here, it will not change. We have to make it. Kol Kolkata. Let me check whether it is right or wrong. The spelling KOLKATA. KA double T. F2 TA. Okay. So it's not dynamic. See, if I type 3 here, it is not dynamic. So I will make it dynamic. Whenever we change the conditions, automatically this whole loaded data will automatically update. Right click on the table one, edit. Okay, advanced editor. In view, you will see advanced editor. Click on that. Here in Mumbai, in place of Mumbai, remove this one also, the double quotes. Carefully remove Mumbai, means you have to type region over here. Region, see already it is showing region. Here again 5 is there. In place of 5, you add top N. Done. Okay, see. Now it will make it dynamic. Home, it's already loaded. See. In Kolkata, top 3 sale paracetamol, cough syrup, and insulin. Here, if I change to Chennai, let me check Chennai. Okay. Chennai. Chennai. But not yet dynamic. Not yet dynamic. Because I mean to say that for a Power Query or something else, you have to refresh the table by clicking right click or refresh. Nothing is there. Why nothing is there? Top three, it has to be there. Nothing. Why? What happened, Chennai? I think I spelled wrong. CHHA CHA F2. Yeah. Let me check the spelling. Maybe it's wrong. CHENNI. CHENNI. Okay. So what I'll do means I make it Ahmedabad. Okay. Ahmedabad or Delhi. Okay, that's better. Delhi. Not a dynamic. You have to refresh Control Alt F5. When I change this to 7, enter. It will not update, so you have to refresh. So Delhi works top 7. Okay, understood. Okay, guys. Thank you for your support. From now onwards, I will give you the solution with Power Query and functions also. Okay, these two things I will show you, but here I'll stop here because I have to do a lot of work, office work. Thank you, guys.